Hello all, welcome to bispsolution.com. My name is Amit and today I'm going to show it to you one interesting example from EDMCS series, hands-on series. Today we are going to create one derived properties. So let me explain you the problem statement over here. I have got one data file from one of my source system and this data is from NetSuite. My customer has a launch date of a product. This is actually launch date. What do they want? They want to calculate product age based on launch date. The formula expression is very simple. What do they want? So suppose my launch date of the product is 10th January 2020. Okay. You want to calculate product age. Product age is simple. You take a today date, which is in YY format. You subtract launch date, which is also YY format. So it means we simply extract the year. Today date is 2026 going on minus 2020. So the product age becomes 6 years. This is what we're trying to achieve. Let's see how to do this. So step one, I'm going to register an application name as NetSuite and create one derived properties. So go and let's create a register an application. This is universal application. Name it is a NetSuite. NetSuite ERP. External system type is NetSuite, Oracle NetSuite. Then I'm going to create one dimension called product. This is list structure. The list, not an hierarchy, the flat structure, product. And doesn't have a shared member. Flat structure does not have a shared member. Okay, so I have a node type. First, I define node type as product. Under this, I'm going to create more members. So product has got first property, product name, right? So this is actually ID. Name, the unique identifier is ID, product ID. And then I'm going to select other properties. So product line, create a property string type, string product line, and the same fashion we get rest of them. It is string property product underscore line. So we need a product family category name. So I already created them in the past. Product family, product family, product category, category, and finally product name. Product name. Okay, done. Perfect. Applicant got registered and you see the default data chain object has been created. I need a view, data chain object view. So I go to view and I see NetSuite. So what I'm going to put NetSuite, which one? This is the one. I think there are two views we have. Anyway, I'll take this view. And the moment I'm going to create the properties, I want the product age to be calculated on the fly. So my first product is P underscore 00000. Product line is books. Product family is arts and music. Product category is architecture. And then we have product name. Correct. Now I need two more properties, product launch date and product age. These two are perfectly fine. Let's go to our application. Modify registration, adding two additional properties. Launch date, I already have this member. Product launch date and product age. Launch date is of date type and product age is integer type. So we have different data format. Product age is of integer type and launch date is a date type. So we have different format. We need to create typecasting. So far this is done. Let's check the default view once again. Default view. NetSuite. Okay. Now what do I want? The moment I select product age over here, sorry, product launch date, select product launch date. Age should be calculated on the fly. Age should be calculated on the fly, isn't it? Let's create derived property for this. To create a derived property, go to properties, go to product age, product age, inspect. This is mapping to NetSuite application. I click on edit. Property type is derived. Default value. What is the value? Let's create an expression. So from today date, today dot date, today dot format. From today date, I'll first extract only year. From there, I subtract data product launch date. So format, I'll convert to integer, and then I subtract. What do you subtract? Node dot properties, node dot properties dot product launch date. Product launch date, in which format it is? It's year format. Make sure it's an year format. So this format required to convert to integer because you cannot take date and year separately. So I'll take convert to integer further. Okay. So looks good. Apply and now let's test it. Let's test this. This work for new members as well as existing member. Default view, NetSuite, 1. See, I'm going to modify existing one. I select over here, product age is already calculated. I select 2010. 2010. Some month I've chosen. Only takes the year. 2010 to 2026, 16 years. System calculates 16 years. Let me create one more member. And we check for the new, does it work for new member as well? 0001. E 000, 002. Then I say product line, everything from my family category and name, product line, product family, product category, and product name. Okay, here comes the interesting fact. You define product launch date. So I select a date over here. 2000, 1999. Assume the date is 1999. Some March month, some date actually. So 1999 to today. This should take, this is not correct. Something incorrect. Once again, I select some other date. Why did not calculate? Let's check the expression. 26, it calculated, right? isn't it? So it means this expression is working for new member as well as existing member. That's it for today. More example for derived properties. Please continue to watch our video for more examples. Should you have any training and consulting requirement, please reach out to BISP trainings and bispconsulting.com. Thank you.